So in video 5, I told you how discovery of psoriasis and the initial treatment. So by now, as I told you, I had given up, and my whole body was covered. You cannot imagine. The growth was from the neck downwards, and if I had not used the ointment, I could not move my neck or turn my neck. The whole skin would split. You understand? It's like when a person moves his neck, the whole skin would stretch and it would cut, and the cuts were like wounds. They would burn, they would itch. It was horrible. So I had to, if I didn't use the ointment, I had to keep my neck straight. And same with my body. If I had it on my back or my stomach, I could not bend. If I bent, the skin would just split. It would just split up, and it was like you bend and somebody cuts your skin with the blade. You just imagine the pain and the feeling that a person would go through. So this was with me on a daily basis. On a daily basis, I had given up, and the day I gave up, few days after that, 2 or 3 days after that, God sent an angel in the form of his. We used to call him Mickey Bhaiya. In India, we say Bhaiya to an elder brother. So he was not very old. I must have been 11 and a half. Mickey Bhaiya was in college in his 11th or 12th standard. So he was an acquaintance to our family, and he came and he saw me. He used to come before also, but he didn't know I had this condition. So he came and said, in India we don't call each other by name. So we would say auntie, uncle if they were a little older, or bhaiya. So I would call him bhaiya. He would call my mummy auntie. So he said, auntie, what is this that is wrong with Robert? So mummy said, this is it, etc. Psoriasis, and he is suffering. What to do? He immediately said, auntie, one of our relatives also had the same problem, and she has been cured. I mean, cured in the sense it has been controlled uh, through a particular medication known as homeopathy. This is the first time we were hearing about homeopathy. So he said, I will take you there to that particular place. It's a social service that these doctors are doing in a particular school in town. They would come there every Saturday from 2 to 4 and administer this homeopathic medication. Please take it. It is free of cost. There was no charges for that. And since my relative, she was, has come back, she has been, the ailment has reduced quite a lot, and she's leading a normal life. I would help you, auntie, to and take you over. So we said, okay. So that week, Saturday, I got ready. Those days, we were staying in the outskirts of Bangalore, so Bengaluru city. So there was the bus services was very rare because outskirts of the city, and 34 years back, the a bus would come only every 3 hours to our in our place. So every 3 hours there would be a bus. Then we had to wait for the next 3 hours. So this was the 12 o'clock bus that we caught in the afternoon. Went to the place. This gentleman, Mickey Bhaiya, he was very kind. He took mummy and me and went, showed us the bus route, showed us which bus to catch, where to get off, where to catch the return bus, etc. Introduced us to the doctors over there, and there I met for the first time Dr. Naidu. Her name was Dr. Naidu, elderly lady, and at once there was some kind of emotional connect with the doctors over there, especially Dr. Naidu, who was treating me. She was very kind and spoke very nicely, etc. And at once I felt a ray of hope. I was small, but I felt that yes, I think I can start my recovery. They made us sit down and they did a lot of things, and they explained to my mother, this is homeopathic medicines. Those medicines are quite small. They are small. I'll show it to you in the next video. White balls, sugary balls. They said, see, these are small tablets, but you have to believe in it and take it. Your condition will improve, but you must believe. If you don't believe, and if you are in a hurry to get cured, then it may not work. So please believe in this, have patience, and you will see the results. So they were explaining to my mom, because they have to explain to the parents, but I was hearing it, and I said, I will believe in it, I will take it, and I will give it a try, because the doctor Naidu who was speaking to me, her tone, the way she was speaking, it was a direct connect to my heart. I don't know, maybe sometime in life God sends certain people into your life. So these were the people, Mickey Baya, the doctor who I met over there. So these are the people who literally changed. That was the turning point in my life. So my medication started, and initially they gave us, there's a mouth dose that is given immediately, and then these tablets are given, small sugary balls are given, and they tell you to have it at certain intervals. In the morning you take this tablet, two tablets, two of those sugary balls in the afternoon, evening. And they gave me an ointment. They said, since your case is very severe, I was totally covered with psoriasis. So they gave me an ointment which didn't resemble the grease. So I was very happy. It was a transparent white gel, and there was not much of a smell in it. It had a unique smell. It was something else. Those days we didn't ask them what it is made up of, how is it work, will it have reactions, nothing. Those days we didn't question anything because there was no other option. But we just believed the doctor, and there was no charges. It was free of cost. It was a social service that they were doing. Excellent. So I brought the ointment back. I put on the ointment, had my mouth dose, started taking the tablets. Wonderful. Within 1 week, I was like, my God, the scaling it was not growing so fast. The scaling started reducing. I started feeling much better. And this continued. Every week we had to go and meet. They said, please come every week so that we know we may have to alter the medications. It's all a trial and error, even in homeopathy. So they would say, if this medicine works, we continue. If there's a reaction, we will, change it slightly. And the doctors also said that, the it may subside and then you may get another major attack. So don't get worried. This was very clearly told to us. It will go down and then there will be another eruption. It will go down and then you will have a sudden eruption. So these cycles you will have to be prepared for. I was prepared for it. I was very young, but my mind, when I used to decide on something, I decided. My mother, parents, everybody agreed on that. Said okay. So there was a recovery, and then maybe I think after a month or so other, there was another eruption, and then they would change the tablets. They would do something else, give some other mouth dose, and this cycle continued. And to make it very short, I took this medication, homeopathic medication, for 20 years. From the age of 11 and a half to about 30, 31, I took homeopathic medication. I'm totally indebted to all those doctors over there, who, especially Dr. Naidu. They are no more. Age factor is there, and I'm totally indebted to them to have given this medication free of cost, no charges at all, for so many years. They would treat all other ailments also, but mine was for psoriasis. So dear friends, this is there. And Mickey, who I spoke about, Mickey Baya, he was an angel sent by God and took us over there. If it was not for him, if it was not for him to come and take us over there, we would not have known about homeopathy. We would not have known about that place. I would have still been suffering. I don't know whether I would have been here also or not. So I am totally grateful to God and to all those doctors, and especially Mickey Bear, to have come into my life and make a difference, make a change. Today I'm very well. I'm settled, wonderful family, wife. My mother is still there with me, my children. So I'm totally indebted to those doctors, and grateful to God and grateful to Mickey Bear.